Welcome viewers. Today's project is how to make this type of crochet two color shoes for 0 to 3 month baby girl. Firstly, we will make a knot. Then make a chain of 20 stitches. Then make one chain and attach at second stitch with a single crochet and make single crochet at next all stitches throughout the row. Make 20 rows of single crochet of same color. This is the length side of shoes. If you want to increase the length, then you will have to increase the chain stitches, and you can take chain stitches according to your foot length measurement. This is the width side of shoes. If you want to increase the width, then you will have to increase the rows. I have completed 20 rows for its width. After 20 rows, attach second color. After remaining 2 stitches, you will have to attach next color. This is a perfect way to attach next color. It gives finishing look. Turn to other side and make one chain. Make single crochet at the back loop of next 10 stitches. Make sure we have to make a single crochet at the back loop of stitches. At the end of row, make one chain and turn to other side. Make one more row of same color of single crochet at the back loop of stitches. At the end of the row, attach another color and make one chain. Then make 2 rows of same color at the back loop of stitches. Follow this pattern and make 28 rows. Now attach the both side of shoe width with the help of sewing needle and make invisible stitch. Firstly, we will make upside down stitch, then stretch the yarn to make circular shape for toe part. Attach any button or bead as you like. Now stitch the lower part of shoe with the help of sewing needle. Now it's done. Hope you like it. Viewers, if you like my project, then subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friend and family. Thanks for watching.